Pickleball.
New pickleball? Nah, England pickleball is much better. He's a mint clown action.
Start by pumping up a 260 lime green balloon. Leave a 15 centimeter tail at the end. First, start by making a 4 centimeter bubble, and then make another 4 of these. Now you got a total of 5 bubbles. With the last 4 bubbles, twist them together into a shape like this. Next, make 2 more of these 4 centimeter bubbles. Now bring it over to the other side and secure it. Then make 1 more bubble. Bring the nozzle of the first bubble back together to here and twist them around a few times. Now you've got 8 bubbles forming 2 layers of the pickleball. Next, make 1 4 centimeter bubble. Secure it horizontally over the ball. Another bubble, do the same thing. Another 4 centimeter bubble. And your final 4 centimeter bubble. Bring this back again to the nozzle of the first balloon and tie a double knot to secure it. Now with the remaining balloon, you can cut it off. And just to be extra safe, you can tie another knot and tuck the ends away inside of the balloon. Adjust all the parts to make it look like a pickleball. And now you're all done.
Well, I'm a balloon pickleball. Please comment down below what you want us to make next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.